Him ask me so what kind of business I want to do. I'm tell him say I do a restaurant.
And famous, educated boy. Very educated. This man, you see here, he build roads and bridges. Cashy. See that no cause I'm also a film yard.
But anyways, girl, guess I'm coming to tell her now. It's the next month. I go on a vacation to Bahamas.
I did say I don't want to get pregnant because two things slow and nothing I'm going.
What kind of idiot question?
No, be like that.
What kind of idiot question you ask me? You know, most can get girl pregnant in a protection. Protection is a 50-50 chance. Yes, it can happen. So what you try to say?
Oh, yes, that's true. Because when I used to go to school back in a grade 3, teacher used to tell me same thing to what you tell me. Say.
Use a brain, man. Come now, what you afraid of? You know what, say me have to go send a Jamal Evelyn class. Me have to go send a Jamal school, you know. Make you get it back. Anything where you never get, you get it.
Oh, my man glass of there, so. Me feel like me I go faint. Me really need to lay down.
Yeah, it's because you know, mama.
But remember, say, me can't go sign the paper and go on it. Alright, never man. Take time. Now I can take a 5. But I don't feel long doing it. I don't take it as a habit.